guys, and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are all doing well. So I started thinking about, you know, the current makeup that I use, you know, just my everyday go-to look. And as I started pulling things out of my cupboard, you know, staples, everyday items, I thought about how much this actually costs. And oh my god, when I sat and worked it out, on average, the makeup that I use, including like the tools and stuff and anything that goes before makeup and then again after makeup, was a staggering £500. I mean, I kid you not, I've actually totaled up the prices that I have paid for all of these items. So without further ado, let's kickstart my everyday £500 makeup look. Right, so when I say I kid you not, these numbers are not inflated, I am going to start from the beginning. So the first thing that I do is prep my skin. The Ordinary Glycolic Acid Toner. Now this is relatively quite affordable. I bought a big bottle of this for about £7. A cotton square. And literally just rub it all over my face, just so we've got a nice clean base to start with. So I don't know if anyone has been watching my previous videos in where I showed using the Bobbi Brown face base. It was the culprit. It was breaking me out something rotten. I mean, I even had a spot on my neck. I like to go in with my VeeBeautyldn Rose Gold Elixir. I literally just do a few drops of this on my forehead, down by my cheeks. And this, after that toner, just feels so incredible. And the smell is just to die for. So this really helps with fading out acne scars. It's amazing for fine lines and wrinkles. It contains rosehip oil. If you don't know about rosehip oil, get to know it. Make it your best friend. Because it's just... And I've said, you know, I'm very open to the fact that a lot of moisturizers and creams I can't wear on my skin. So why I thought the Bobbi Brown face cream would be any different is beyond me. The next product I am so incredibly excited to try. A friend of mine went to New York and he brought me back this little beautiful black and white bag. I have heard so many amazing things about the Tatcha Silk Canvas Primer, and this was on the top of my list for my friend to bring me back. It comes in a box like that. You get your little coin that you pick up your product with, and then it comes sealed in this bag. Oh, it feels so luxurious. It's quite heavy. Oh, and it smells incredible. That's what it looks like. It's like a light pink colour. The Silk Canvas is an invisible filter that instantly blurs, primes, protects, colour corrects and includes our anti-aging Hades 3 complex of green tea, rice and algae. The unique balm imparts a soft focused glow and protects skin from impurities in the environment and cosmetics. It slips on velvety smooth and can be worn alone for pure silken skin or under makeup for flawless prolonged wear. Wishing you exquisite skin. Victoria Sigh. Victoria. So it comes with your little coin, and this is what you use to pick the product up with. Now you need the smallest amount. It's just... Oh, it smells so good. Right, so that's what it looks like. And a little goes a long way. So I'm just gonna... It's worked already. Oh my god, it just... smooths out so easy. My skin feels so soft, absolutely gorgeous. Right, so that is £52. I think in the description below I'm going to total up everything that I've used, because if I stop and start calculating I think we'll be here all night. Okay, and then going in with my tried and tested Nars Sheer Glow foundation. Literally every foundation I buy, I always compare it to this, and for me, nothing beats this foundation. Taking it on my Sunday Ivy fuzzy sponge. These are really good, and I think I got this for like a £5. All right, we'll do the side that needs the love the most. No foundation comes close to this one in my eyes. And the great thing about this foundation, it doesn't cake, it doesn't go flaky, it doesn't stick to like dry patches. It's just incredible. Going in with my Tarte Shape tape. Now for some reason you can only pick this up at QVC here in the UK, which is really annoying. Okay, now I do mix this with my Fenty concealer on the daily. The Shape tape is too light and the Fenty was a little too dark, so I mixed the two to get the perfect shade. Done. And then to prime my lids, I'm going to go in with the Urban Decay primer. Absolutely loving the way my eyeshadow just pops with this being on. I'm just going to lock everything in place with my Nars Translucent Light Reflecting Setting Powder. And then set my whole face with a bigger brush. Lovely jubbly. Okay, I have done my eyebrows already, and today I used my MAC Stud eyebrow pencil. So eyeshadow applied. I've left it as a matte look because I don't want to go in with too many shimmers. Okay, so my next everyday product has got to be this amazing Stila liquid eyeliner, and I've got to say, I don't know why I don't always just have these with me, spares. I don't know, it's literally the best eyeliner ever. It lasts all day, it doesn't fade into like that silvery eyeliner that some of them does. It's just incredible. So let's do a big drawn out wing with this bad boy. Oh, stay with me, daylight, stay with me. Okay, so eyeliner all laid down. Now going in with, I was going to go in with my Nars Climax mascara, but time and time again this has proved to me not to be trustworthy. Do not trust it. It's a liar. Throughout the day it will bleed onto your baked, very well hidden dark circles. It will betray you and it will give you said dark circles because it will just sit. It's not to be trusted at all. Instead, what you must do is go to any drugstore, Boots, Superdrugs, and pick up Lash Sensational Mascara. This stuff is just the ultimate mascara for me. I can literally wear this all day, all night. It will not crease, it will not bleed, it just stays put, and it makes your lashes so long and fluttery, and it's just everything. It's just everything. Nothing does it for me. But I'm really upset because I keep telling everyone to go out and get this mascara and it doesn't work for them. And then like people say, I got that because of your recommendation and it did nothing for me, and I just feel so bad when that happens. So for that I can only apologise. Ah! Dun, 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 dun. Why? Right, I'm going to do a quick shameless plug for those of you that want to know how my lashes are so long. I use my lash and brow serum. I'll leave the website address in the description bar below. It's just a blend of 5 oils, will give you longer, stunning, beautiful, healthy, long lashes and brows in the description bar. Right, so one of my pet peeves has got to be that little bit of skin just there. So we're just going to go in and just tight line and get rid of that yucky bit of skin that you can see peeping through. And I use Maybelline Drama Khol. This stuff will not budge. It's beautiful. Get nice and up close for the next bits. Okay, so I'm just going to go in with a little bit of contour, and I will pick up my Hoola bronzer. This brush is so good just to get between, just to give you a nice straight line, and then down the nose. You see, it just gives you nice straight edges. Blend that away. I'm so excited to show you my lipsticks because they are just stunning. My all-time favourite highlighter has got to be the Anastasia and the Amrezy highlighter. This highlighter is just everything. It literally is just the most beautiful golden highlight ever. Just pop that there, and then we'll go, just take it up there. Right, to make this a little bit more, I just put it onto with my finger, and then we'll blend it out. And then, you ready for this bit? My favourite bit. Instant nose job. Can you see that? Oh, I love it. I love a wet looking highlight, and this is it. One of my ultimate blushes has got to be the very iconic Nars Orgasm. Just how incredibly beautiful is that? This is very, very, very much loved. Lately, I have been going ham with my blusher. I absolutely love the wash of pink. Favourite part of any video that I do has got to be my lip. A friend of mine went to New York and he brought me back loads and loads of makeup. 3 of these beautiful, iconic Pat McGrath lipsticks. I got 3 shades, and my favourite one has got to be the shade OMI, which is that colour there. It's named after Naomi Campbell. Quickly line my lips with a MAC pencil called Absolutely It. Apologies for the shift in the light. I had to turn my ring light on because okay, so lip liner applied. Let's put on this beautiful lipstick in the shade OMI. Just want to quickly show you this. How cute is this? So if you hold the lips there like that and twist the barrel, the lipstick comes out straight. Isn't that just amazing? And then if you twist this bit, the lipstick comes out round. I've had this in my arsenal for quite a while now. It's the Hourglass Ambient Luminous Light, and I do wear it occasionally, but not so much now. This is not a setting powder, it's a finishing powder. And what you do is you just give yourself a quick, very light dusting of this, and this will just give you just a nice gentle glow. Do not confuse this with setting powder. It's a finishing powder. I found that out the hard way, trust me. And right just before we leave, I'm going to set everything using my Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. This smells just so amazing. Oh, having totaled up everything, and that includes like my brushes and like the sponges and the setting sprays and the powders and everything in between, on average, every day, I use about £500 worth of product. Now, you're probably going to think, you know, don't be silly. But if I was to, God forbid, lose any of the products that I've used today, and if I was to go out and buy them again, I would be shelling out that figure, and that's actually quite scary, especially, like, you know, we live in this plastic world where you think, I'm just going to put it on a card, and today, just as I was thinking about, you know, some video ideas, it came to me, and I've actually quite scared myself, because this morning I bought more makeup so I can sit and review it for you. So although it is a passion of mine, it is an interest of mine, sometimes I know I have to rein it back a little bit and just think, hang on, £500 worth of makeup, and this is stuff that I use every single day. Okay, apart from the Tatcha primer, a lot of this makeup you have seen on my makeup channel here before. It's definitely giving me some food for thought, so I'm definitely going to rein it back in. I am going to try and use a lot more affordable makeup, just so it's gentler on my own pocket. But anyway, guys, I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. If you did, then please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave. Also, leave me a comment down below, please. It really helps out with the struggle. Also, leave me a comment down below on how much you think your everyday makeup tallies up to. I would love to see some of these figures that we end up with. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. I hope you guys enjoy the bloopers, and I will definitely see you on another video very, very soon. See you soon. Bye for now. Enjoy the bloopers. Fucking iPads. And that's going to be a right bastard. You can see it. It's got the makings of being a proper bastard. Say what? Don't fall.